Know about mouth cancer sign, symptoms, diagnosis, prevention, and treatment. Subscribe our YouTube channel Medical Health 365 days to see medical related useful videos and press bell icon to get free updates. Mouth cancer symptoms may not notice early stage. These abnormal cells are termed cancer cells or malignant cells. Mouth or oral cancer can be life-threatening if not diagnosed and treated early stage. It can occur anywhere in the mouth. Cancer is the uncontrolled growth of abnormal cells anywhere in a body. These abnormal cells are termed cancer cells, malignant cells. Change happens in the genetic material, DNA. Cell mutations can result in cancer. The process of cancer cells leaving an area and growing in another body area, it is termed metastasis. Some substances that cause cancer are called carcinogens. Cancer staging is often determined by biopsy results and helps identify the cancer type. Mouth cancer refers to cancer that develops in any of the parts that make up the mouth or oral cavity. Mouth cancer can occur on the oral mucosa, cheek and inner lining of the cheeks, lips, gums, tongue, the roof of the mouth, the floor of the mouth, under the tongue, hard and soft palate, pharynx, throat, sinus. Precancerous lesion or premalignancy or precancer. It is a benign morphologically altered tissue that has a greater risk to transform malignancy. To understand everyone in a simple way, you can say it is not cancer but this a tissue lesion, which has a very higher risk to become cancer. Example of precancerous lesion: leukoplakia, erythroplakia, etc. Precancerous condition: it is a disease or patient habit that does not necessarily alter the clinical appearance of local tissue but is associated with a greater than normal risk of precancerous lesion. Example: oral submucous fibrosis (OSMF). Mouth cancer symptoms and signs. In the early stages, there are often no symptoms, but people who are taking tobacco and heavy drinkers are prone to have oral cancer, should have regular checkups with the dentist, and they may identify early signs of cancer. The mouth cancer symptoms and signs of oral cancer depend on the location and it can be varied. It generally thin, irregular, white patches or a mix of red and white patches in the mouth. The classic warning sign is a persistent rough patch with ulceration, and a raised border with minimal pain. Mouth ulcers or sores that do not heal. Lump or thickening of the skin or lining of the mouth. Jaw pain or stiffness, difficulty in swallowing or speaking. Hoarse voice or change in voice. Unexplained bleeding in the mouth, persistent earache and loose teeth. Numbness, loss of sensation, pain or tenderness in any area of the face, mouth, or neck, etc. Weight loss may notice. Risk factors for developing mouth cancer or oral cancer are: tobacco. Users of snuff or chewing tobacco products are more likely to develop cancers. Tobacco item like henny, zurda, tobacco, etc. Smoking. Tobacco smokers including cigarettes, cigars, pipes, etc. Excessive consumption of alcohol, betel nut. Excessive sun or radiation exposure. Chronic irritation or chronic trauma by any particles, material, tooth. Human papillomavirus, HPV, family history of cancer. Old age. How mouth cancer diagnosed? As part of your routine dental exam, your dentist will conduct an oral cancer checkup and screening. The dentist will do the biopsy to confirm. To better assess the size of the lesion, CT scan, MRI may be needed. Depending upon the condition, other tests also may be needed. How you may prevent mouth cancer. Quitting or avoiding tobacco. Consume alcohol in limit or not at all. Avoid excessive sun exposure and using an umbrella or sunscreen on the lips. Get a regular checkup from your dentist. Maintain proper oral health and general health. Take a healthy diet, with plenty of fruit and vegetables. Exercise regularly. treatment of oral cancer. It will be depending upon the condition and stage of cancer. Know about different treatments of mouth cancer: surgical removal, radiotherapy and chemotherapy, targeted drug therapy.
Visit our website www.medihelp365.com to find doctors, hospital, medical service provider informations, read useful medical articles and lots more. Subscribe our YouTube channel Medical Help 365 Days to see medical related useful medical videos. Press bell icon to get instant notification.